The Azion link command adapts your project to an Azion Edge application. It integrates a website or web app with Azion's Edge computing network. Let's use this Jamstack e-commerce project for the tutorial. First, let's use the pnpm install and in pnpm build commands to ensure that dependencies are installed and the project is built in one go. It helps to make sure everything is ready before creating the final result. Now navigate to your project's root directory. Then run the Azion link command in your terminal. The CLI will guide you through a user-friendly interactive process. Choose the next preset with the compute mode. Now, the application will be linked to an Edge application. Different processes occur based on the selected template. Then, type Azion build to build the Edge application locally and prepare to deploy it on the Edge. Now let's use the Azion dev command to adapt the environment for building the Edge application and run it locally. Once the build completes successfully, you can access the application by opening your web browser and navigating to localhost. Once we build the Edge application locally, let's use the Azion deploy command to deploy the Edge application onto Azion's Edge network. This command deploys Edge applications on the Azion network, moving them from development to production. It handles both static and dynamic applications configured for Edge environments. Now, let's check the application configured at the Azion's console. As we can see, our application is deployed on the Edge network of Azion. View your app using the given domain. Your application has been deployed to all Azion Edge locations. However, it takes a certain time to propagate and it may be necessary to wait a few minutes for the URL to be activated and for the application page to be effectively displayed in the browser.